Hello guys, Best Review for You team is back again with another review on mastering lead generation. Firstly, we will look at the introduction, then a note from mastering lead generation, about mastering lead generation, also, why most people struggle to make money online, and the exclusive bonuses that I am going to offer you. Discover the step-by-step system to create massive leads from scratch, even if you're a complete beginner. Click here to get instant access now. Professional marketing package and turnkey sales kit included. Dear marketer, do you want to start an online business but you have no idea where to begin? Every time you hear people talking about getting traffic from Google, Facebook and social media, you can get all the traffic in the world, but if you don't do this one thing, all your efforts are only going to waste. You can send the traffic to a website or sales page you own, maybe a couple of people will buy, but what happens to those who don't? How do you get in touch with them again? Industry standards state that only 2% of your traffic will convert into buyers. So what happens to the 98%? A total waste, isn't it? Research has shown that it takes at least 7 times before someone buys from you. The chances of someone buying your offer the first time is relatively low. It takes time to build trust, make a connection and make them see you as an authority. Imagine if you could follow up on the 98% and send them valuable content and help them with a problem and get them in your good books. There's a higher chance they will actually buy from you, right? Imagine if there's a way for you to keep in touch with the additional 98% of them. This is where lead generation comes in. Professional marketing package and turnkey sales kit included. What is this mastering lead generation thing that everyone talks about? When you have a list, you can follow up with your potential customers. Send them relevant offers that will help them achieve what they want. You're not spamming them, but you have their permission to do so. If you use it properly and engage with your subscribers, you will benefit a lot from it. Many people do not know the importance of an email list and what you can do with it. If you ask many experienced marketers, they'll say, the money is in the list. So what can you do with a list? Send multiple offers over a period of time. Share blog posts. Increase engagement. Send traffic to your blog site. Why do you want to build a list? To be profitable online, you need traffic. Period. If you have your own list, you don't need to worry about traffic anymore. Here's why: by sending a simple email to my list with a link to my site, boom. Here are a couple of reasons why most people fail to make money. Shiny object syndrome. They tend to get distracted and look for the latest strategy or fad to make money online. When it doesn't work, they look for a new offer that looks exciting. It's called the shiny object syndrome. There are tons of ways to make money, but ultimately no matter what you do, you will need to build a list. Even the marketer who's promoting the latest offer will use email marketing to promote the offer. Why most people struggle to make money online and might never make it. No game plan. You might have an idea how it works but lack real planning and strategy to execute it. There's no point doing things blindly, expecting any solid results from it. If you have a clear plan on where you're going with it, it's not going to work. The real reason only 1 out of every 10 marketers are going to generate profits in the online world. Most people have no idea what to do when it comes to lead generation, and that's not the worst yet. Some marketers don't even have a list. It's not as difficult or complicated as it sounds. You might have some assumptions that only people who are technical can do this. I'm a beginner, I don't know how it all works. Where do I get traffic from? How do I write valuable content to my email subscribers? I don't know how to create products that sell. And many more reasons why lead generation is difficult for you. You are consumed by your fear. All of the above doesn't matter because as long you're willing to learn, I'm here to guide. All of us started from somewhere. We began to learn to read, write and calculate when we're kids. It's the same thing with lead generation and online businesses. Lastly, these are the bonuses that I have to offer you. These are worth more than $4,000 that I am giving you for free. The only condition is that you have to purchase the product through the link given below in the description, and after the purchase send an email with a screenshot of your purchase on our email, which you will find in description below. Have a look at the bonuses. These are not the 1 or 2 bonuses or 3 simple bonus, but in total I am offering you 21 bonuses. This definitely will help you if you are a content creator or an affiliate marketer, or even if you run a digital marketing agency. So here is the review from the Best Review For You team. If you liked the video then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to check the description below.